What's going on, gardeners? It's Joe here, back at Bountiful Gardens, Hillsboro, taking in some of my favorite blooms of the year. Does your garden glow in the spring, but look tired in the summer? While it may be tempting to plant early blooming perennials, in order to have color and interest throughout the seasons, you have to make sure that you have a well-rounded plant palette. This week, we're going to be going over some incredible plants that you can get in the ground right now so that you can enjoy gorgeous blooms through these harsh summer months. These plants all feature sprawling roots and hardy characteristics that it takes to bloom in the heat of July and August, while many other perennials have already gone to seed. So follow me and find out how to wake up your sleepy summerscape.
Summer wildflowers in the Asteracea family are some of the most impressive blooms out there, and July is when they really start to pop. Some of our favorites are perennial coneflower like Echinacea or Rudbeckia, also known as black-eyed Susan. These perennials love summer sun, making them bloom all the way from June through October. And because of their fuzzy leaves and stems, they're largely deer-resistant, and once established, drought-resistant as well.
If you want the best of both worlds in one coneflower, you can opt for Echibeckia, which is a sterile hybrid species boasting bold colors and petal patterns.
With a maximum height of just 2 feet, Stokes Aster is another North American native wildflower that'll give you purple and blue blooms all the way from June to early October.
For blue blooms at taller heights in full sun, Chaste Tree is a captivating choice. This Mediterranean native is also a member of the mint family, making it highly deer-resistant.
When it comes to summer blooms, some of the most magnificent are going to be the Panicle Hydrangea. Starting out a lime green in midsummer and going through a wide range of colors from white to pink to deep red in October, these will give you long-lasting blooms all throughout the season. And speaking of transformations, there's none more dramatic than the Beautyberry, with delicate white blooms that transform into amazing purple berries in fall.
If you're looking to make the ultimate summer statement in full sun, you can't do better than Crape Myrtles. These plants start bursting with flower heads in midsummer, giving a floral fireworks display that you'll look forward to seeing year after year. And they come in a wide variety of sizes, so there's definitely one to fit your space.
And if you're looking for a little more texture in your landscape, we have a wide variety of native and ornamental grasses that can sway in the summer breeze. Some of our favorite native grasses are big and little bluestem, switchgrass, northern seagrass, and broom sedge. These species all stand up beautifully to harsh heat and blazing sun.
So don't let your summerscape look sleepy any longer. Get out and plant these perennials today. In time, you can create a vibrant garden that blooms March through frost. If you're still looking to get herbs and veggies in the ground or plant up a second round of crops, it's not too late. We have plenty of culinary plants available to soak up the sun for late summer and early fall harvests. Finally, it's never too late to pot up a new container garden or spruce up an existing one, and we are fully stocked with the best selection that you'll find. As always, thanks again for watching another one of our videos. If you like what you're seeing, make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content, and leave us a comment and let us know which plants you'd like to see next. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.